Hey, Eric, the Bearded Tool Guy. I ordered this a couple of weeks ago. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. This is the one with the pin detent, 750 foot-pounds of fastening. And it, let's see, 1,100 pounds of nut busting. So, let me open this up. Right now, what I'm waiting for is, I got a deal, from Home Depot with a 6 amp and a 3 amp, high performance battery to come in before I start using this a lot. Right now I only got a 3 amp 21700 cell. Okay, your typical book, and yep, it's the pin detent. So this is not quite a full-on high torque, but it's basically, to me, kind of looks like a heavy-duty mid-torque. So let us slap a battery on it. I got my 3 amp high output 21700 cell. Sounds good to me. Fully charged. Okay, so this is a pin detent. So that means I put this on like that and it locks on. Okay. Now got a lot of tools lately. So I got this locked down. Let me run this 5-inch power lag. That was fast. And this ain't the real high torque, but this, the pin detent. I don't have to worry about having the socket come off on me. And to me, this is nice. I'm probably going to get the one, for, linemen. That'll be the next one. That's the one that you can insert drill bits in. That thing's expensive. It's like $400. Okay. Now, the only problem is now taking this off. Better get a screw. Or a nail. Okay, when do I just put a regular one on? Okay, let's run a 6-inch lag. Let's run it right here. Okay. And the socket comes off a lot faster now, instead of playing with that hog ring. So this is nice. And still fully charged. Like I say, this is model number 2766-20. It's 0 to 1800 RPMs and 0 to 2400 impacts per minute. And I like this. But like I say, I want the one that goes to linemen. You know, you can put drill bits in it and everything else. It's actually, I heard the exact same unit as this, but it's got the, like for an impact driver connection. So that's what I want next. This is nice. Now people can't say I don't have a high torque Milwaukee. Okay, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off. To be further tests in the future with this when I get the 6 amp battery next week.